Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Laughter and Cheers. I hope all of you are doing good and great. I'm alhamdulillah also very fine. So here guys, I'm back again with the one more video, a new video today. So in this video, I will be sharing with you some of the recorded clips of summer 2022 in Stockholm, Sweden. And recently I also visited the Stockholm City Hall. So also added some of the clips in the latter half of this video. So let's begin with our video, and we'll be sharing with you this most visited destination of Stockholm, that is all about the Kungsta Garden. If you're visiting first time to Sweden or especially in Stockholm, so this is a must visited destination because it has two, three different spots and one can explore so much here. And obviously a day could not be enough for it. So obviously this is the most visited and top tourist destination, and it is all known as Kungsta Garden, and it is surrounded by very nice cafes and restaurants, and it is a perfect place to in fact walk, ride and explore the city travel attractions like the hop on bus and different travel attractions. Another important spot in this video is the Royal Palace or the Stockholm Palace. Yes, it was built in 18th century in Italian Baroque style, and it is basically the official residence of the King of Sweden with over 600 rooms. Can you imagine? Yes, with over 600 rooms. Basically, it is open for the public and one can easily book their time in their visiting hours or that are open for the public on their official website. The last spot is the Stockholm City Hall. Yes, it is the another popular spot to visit, built in 1923. It has offices, conference rooms, and other ceremonial halls. And most important, it is the venue of the Nobel Prize banquet. So here everyone, this is the end of my today's video. I hope you came to know about the most popular spots of Stockholm and basically in Kungsta Garden. So we'll be meeting with you with another video inshallah the next time. If you really like this video, so please give this video a big thumbs up and keep like and share laughter cheers for more. So stay tuned everyone. Seeing you in the next video.